Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to share with you guys products that I bought for winter. It's not really a haul, but I did pop back into the shops to buy some products for winter. This is the first time that I'm doing this, so please, these are not tried and tested products for winter. So I popped into the stores, I popped into Dischem and I popped into Clicks to buy some stuff for winter. And as I said, these are not tried and tested. I'm going to give it a go and I'm going to be figuring out a winter routine as well. Please bear in mind, I do have other products that I'll be using. These are not the only products that I'll be using as part of my winter routine, but just some stuff to add to my hair stash for winter. Let's start off with some cleansers. I'm somebody who likes to shampoo my hair. That's not a secret, but during winter I do like to co-wash. So I did go out and get myself a co-wash that this is something I like. This is something I've used before. This is something during the winter time that is tried and tested. This is from on Jackie's. It's their flaxseed recipe Purify Me Moisturizing Co-Wash Cleanser. I really do like this. Something else I bought from Shea Moisture. I've never used this before. This is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. It contains Mafura oil as well as baobab oil. So this is a shampoo that I bought. I also went and got some apple cider vinegar. I love apple cider vinegar. I got these two at Dischem. This is the Nature's Choice apple cider vinegar and it does have the fermentation inside. And another one that I got is the Lifestyle Food Unfiltered apple cider vinegar and it contains the mother as well. And that's what you really want when you're buying apple cider vinegar. You want to buy one that has the mother and it will be written on the label as well. So I'm going to be using apple cider vinegar during winter on my hair. I didn't buy a leave-in conditioner because for some reason it is under lockdown. We're still under lockdown still when I bought and I'm filming this particular video. So I did get some masks and I went for Shea Moisture. It was buy one get one free. So it was kind of worth it, especially with the prices of Shea Moisture in South Africa. I got this one that I've used before and absolutely love. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. It contains shea butter, peppermint and apple cider vinegar. Been using this for years. I love it. And then another one that's so hard to find, and I've also been using this for a long time, is the Manuka Honey one. I found the full tub. This is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So I got this. It's so hard to find. We get the sachets in South Africa, but a full tub and buy one, get one free. Absolutely worth it at Clicks. Then I went for a little bit of moisture and I stayed with Shea Moisture and I got from their coconut and hibiscus line. I got the curl enhancing smoothie and I also got the curl and style milk. So this is something that I am going to be using during winter. At Dischem, I went to get some aloe vera juice and I also got some witch hazel and rose water. So I'm going to be implementing these two into my winter care or winter wash day or daily moisturizing routine. Yeah, aloe vera juice, you can't go wrong, and my hair loves rose water. Never tried witch hazel, but I am going to be trying these two. Last two products, guys. I went and I picked up some Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is from Sunny Isle and it's the original Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It promises to heal, protect and stimulate. Personally, I don't like Jamaican Black Castor Oil, but I haven't used it in years. I remember, trying it out for a while. It was too thick. It just wasn't for my hair. But, I want to try and seal my hair during winter time. Again, this is not tried and tested. And I also haven't been using oils on my hair for a very, very long time. So this is going to be interesting. I might use it. It might be a hit. It might be a miss. And the last product is a styler. I've never tried this one. It is from the Perfect Touch. It's alcohol free and it's the Mega Whole Volume and Shine, and it also promises quick drying, or it has a quick drying formula. So I'm also going to give this a try as well. Very, very interesting, and the price point was very good. Yeah, guys, some products I'm going to be trying it out. As I said, there are some products that I've used before that I like and I've never really used them during the winter time, so it is going to be trial and error. But I thought I'll share with you the stuff that I've been thinking about to try over the winter season. As always, thanks for watching and you will see me again. Take care.